Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to solve the error. Please connect to the selected server to view the dashboard in PostgreSQL PgAdmin. So let's get started. So first thing what you need to do is just go to search and type services. You'll be getting the system services over here. Just open it, and in this if you scroll down to P, you'll be having the PostgreSQL like this, and click here and you need to start the service. So the service has now started. You'll be getting like this, it's running. And now just close the services dialog box as well as PgAdmin, and again reopen it. This time here you can see I'm not facing any errors and my database is visible. Yeah, everything is working fine, and I'm also able to view the tables present in it. So this is basically how you solve the issue, guys. And if you are still facing this issue, I would recommend you to recheck your installation process. You can just click on the card that is appearing on top. I have done an intro tutorial on that. Check the playlist, done a lot of videos in programming and AI. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.